Welcome to today's beginner tutorial on creating minimalist abstract art. First, we'll open the color menu and select black as our base color to start sketching the design. Then, we'll choose the brush tool to bring our ideas to life. Next, I'm gliding my brush along the right side of the canvas to create a wavy stroke. I'm not too focused on precision here, just aiming for an organic, natural line that adds to the abstract feel. Now it's time to add color to our artwork. I want my color palette to feel happy and fun, so I'm going to choose vibrant colors that reflect that mood. I've decided to use pink, blue, and green. To fill in these colors quickly, I'll be using the paint bucket tool. It's pretty easy to use. To activate it, simply click on the bucket symbol at the top bar of the page. Once you've selected the paint bucket tool, you'll see an option labeled Tolerance. I recommend using the slider to increase the tolerance, as this will help prevent any white pixels from showing through. I want to ensure that the color reaches all the edges of my artwork. Keep in mind that when using the paint bucket tool, the shapes you fill in must be closed off, meaning they should either be near the edge or fully enclosed. If there are any open lines in the shape, the color may spill out and cover unwanted areas, which we want to avoid. I'm going to click on the color menu again to choose a background color. To stay in line with my color palette, I want a cheerful color that evokes feelings of happiness, so I've decided on yellow. All you need to do is select the background layer, which is located at the bottom of the right sidebar, and then click on your preferred color. I will return to the color menu to add highlights to my design for better definition. I'll switch to a synthetic oil brush as I like how it adds texture to my artwork. I will also adjust the brush size to ensure it isn't too large. In a new layer, I am going to add my highlights. This is going to give us some more definition. Just so you know, if you make a mistake, there is no need to worry. A new layer allows you to erase without disrupting the previous layer. I will add shadows to a new layer. First, I will select the background using the color dropper tool, then use the color slider tool to create a shade that will act as a shadow. Try rotating your canvas slightly so it is easier to add your shadow to each shape. These are the areas you need to add shadow to. Now we are going to add shadow to the inner edge of each blob shape. For a softer shadow, I am going to switch over to the airbrush tool. Feel free to experiment with other brushes for various textures in your artwork. Begin with the form of a pink blob. Subtly shade the inner edge to suggest volume. Let's move on to the green shape and follow the same steps. Last but not least, let's add shadow to the blue shape. Now it's time to add more texture so the design stands out. I will use the speckled brush and a darker shade of yellow for some contrast. You can just tap your stylus on the screen so this texture is contained in one area. I will be applying a vibrant highlight to the top of each shape using paintbrush number 4 to enhance it so there is depth. This technique will add a touch of brightness and dimension, making the shapes stand out even more. Save the current sketch. We don't want to lose our drawing. After saving your current sketch, click on Gallery to rename your file. If you want to export your artwork, click the corner of the screen. Here is the final artwork. I hope this tutorial inspires you to create your own. Until next time, Ms. V.